Hi, Tim Roberts, application engineer with GoEngineer. Common problem in simulation is that you're going to analyze a complex assembly or multi-body part, and we can't have any interferences. If you find interferences between solid bodies, unless it's a shrink fit, they need to be eliminated. Okay, at least for the FEA. Now this is kind of risky. You can leave them in there and you will normally get results, and quite often those results are bad. So how to check for this in a part that has multi-body interferences? So until we get a new tool under the part that checks for interferences, this is the only way I've found to do it. We take our part file here, in which we've got about 20 different bodies. Okay, this is built as a weldment, and each one of these are different solid bodies. So we go File, Make Assembly from Part. Now you don't even have to save this assembly, but we're just simply going to insert our conveyor frame into this assembly. Now that we're in an assembly, we will be able to go to Tools, go to Interference Detection, and we can do a Calculate. Now we need to, in order to check for multi-body interferences, we need to turn on this little checkbox. Okay, and now when we check for multi-body interferences, you can see that, okay, we've got two here. Okay, now I won't go into the fact that if we're using beam elements and there's going to be a joint there, we don't have to worry about it. But if you're doing solid elements, our solid to shell elements, we can't have interferences. Okay, and this is the most effective way to find out. Now you may want to know, do these parts touch, yes or no? So we'll clear the multi-body interferences. Actually, let's leave that on. Let's turn on this Treat Coincidence as Interference, and we'll recheck, and anything that actually touches as well as interferes will show up as an interference. Okay, and then we can toggle through and verify that we've got parts touching, which is another thing we want to verify. For our global contact, only works on touching faces. Hopefully that gives you some ideas on preparing your multi-body part for FEA. My name is Tim Roberts. Thanks for watching this quick tip video.